are talking about real estate, Sonal, there is this IIFL note, and they're bullish about real estate, particularly north-based companies.
Yeah, that's the thing. They're particularly very bullish about the NCR region companies which operate there, and they include the likes of DLF. There is the new Signature Global that got listed yesterday. So what they're saying now, remember, Rima, we're coming from a point where NCR market was the worst performing amongst all the geographies. So if they are bullish, means tides are really turning here, because the markets are on an upswing according to the report, and new launches are being lapped up across Gurugram and Noida, and we've seen that in bookings coming in from DLF and the other companies as well. Resale markets, according to IIFL, is also very strong, with meaningful price appreciation coming in, and land prices also have been steadily rising, and this is an area where land prices are available at lower prices. So right now there is some development there. The experts are of the opinion that there is a lot of pent-up demand and the recovery is here to stay, because there are concerns whether they'll go back to those levels where they did not see demand but there was higher supply. So those are the days the NCR region has actually seen earlier. But they expect listed developers with meaningful exposure to NCR to be the likely beneficiaries. They would include DLF, there's Godrej Properties, as I said, Signature Global, there's Max Estates, there's Century Textiles, and Sobha also is present in that particular region. Now, some of the key trends that they have noticed here, out of the many, some of the ones that I found were very interesting. In Gurugram, markets like Dwarka Expressway, they are seeing launches at double the price that was ongoing at 23,000 versus 12 to 15,000 per square feet. In Noida, Max Estates sold its sector project at a pricing of 18,000 rupees per square feet versus the expectation of 13,000. Godrej Tropical Isle, that is the recent launch by Godrej Properties, it saw sales of 2,000 crore rupees. It is the most successful launch that Godrej Properties has seen so far, and project launches are largely catering to the high-rise, premium and luxury segment. So there is no dearth of demand that we are seeing in the premium segment, and that's showing in the numbers as well, and IIFL continues to be very bullish on this particular space, Rima.
Interesting, right? I remember NCR, and every time we got the management of any company listed there, we would ask, oh, what's the inventory that you're sitting on?
And they were sitting on the highest inventory possible, right?
And for a very, very long time. But finally, it looks like that cycle has turned and it's still looking up. But let's get to mid-caps.